Hello, welcome to my channel Home Health Totke. Today in this video I will tell you castor oil and olive oil mask for hair. Before starting the video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for latest updates. Castor oil and olive oil mask for hairs. Olive oil can help condition your hair and reduce hair loss. In combination with castor oil, it can promote hair growth. Ingredients: 1 to 2 tablespoons castor oil, 1 to 2 tablespoons olive oil, 5 to 6 hibiscus petals. Method: mix equal proportion of the two oils in a small cup. Number 2. Add hibiscus petal to it. Number 3. Heat the oil on a medium flame for 10 seconds and apply it to your hair. Number 4. Massage your scalp gently for 10 to 15 minutes. Number 5. Wrap your head with a steam towel to lock in the moisture. Number 6. Leave it on for an hour. Wash it off with lukewarm water and shampoo. Number 7. Repeat this process weekly for the best results. Note: you can also use a blend of castor, olive and lavender oil. I will give you the links of ingredients in the description. You can buy from amazon.com. I hope this video will help you a lot. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon for latest updates. Thanks for watching.